Hi friends, today we are going to study about the CCNA course syllabus. In CCNA course syllabus, we are going to discuss about what are the different topics are covered in CCNA, and we are going to discuss about the CCNA courses. So first of all, we will go to the Cisco website, and we'll see that in Cisco website how to see the official syllabus of CCNA. So we are in Cisco website now. That you can just go and select the search button CCNA. Search. In CCNA we will be seeing CCNA guide is available. Progression. So in this we will be seeing the syllabus. Go to the certifications. In certifications you can see like entry level, associate level, specialist level, professional level and expert level. So we will be actually going to study the associate level, right? So in associate level, if you see, we have CCNA, DevNet Associate, CyberSoft Associate. We will be studying CCNA this. In this you can see there is no prerequisites are there. So 3 years valid, all details are available here. Then we will go to the this part, training in this part. Here we have exam topics. So this is the official syllabus which is covered in the CCNA. In this if you see there are 1.1.0, 2.0, like that 6 domains are there. The first domain is network fundamentals, second domain is network access, third is IP connectivity, fourth is IP services, fifth is security fundamentals, sixth is automation and this one. Okay. Now we will be seeing one by one. We will be starting with first what all the topics will be covered in fundamentals and what other topics are covered in network access, and what other topics are covered in IP connectivity, IP services and security fundamentals and foundations and programmability. So if you see this, first in network fundamentals we will be covering like the basic role and functions of network components, then the network topology architectures like different types of 2 tier, 3 tiers. Then we will compare the physical interface and cabling types. Then we will be studying about the different cable issues like what is collision, what is error, mismatch, all these things. Then we'll compare and understand the TCP and UDP. Then we'll be configuring, verifying the IP addressing and submitting. And we'll describe the private IP, what is the private IPv4 addressing. And we'll be explaining what is the IPv6 addressing and prefix. Then we'll understand the different types of IPv6 types, address types. Then we'll see some wireless principles and virtualization and switching topics. So basically this is all the fundamentals covered in the first domain, network fundamentals. The second domain, if you see, we'll be talking about the network access. Here we're mainly talking about the switching technologies like what is VLANs and what are the configurations and interconnect connectivity, configuring and verify the layer 2 discovery protocols, and configure and verify the channel, describe the need of the basic operations and rapid PVSTP, wireless topics, what are wireless architectures and access points for connectivity, the CAX and radius. Basically, we'll be learning some basic wireless concepts, configuring the using GUI, or GUI means graphical user interface. These all the topics will be covered in network access, mainly switching and wireless. After that, if you go to IP connectivity, in IP connectivity you will be studying about routing protocols. You will be trying to understand the components of a routing table, like what is routing protocol code, what is prefix, what is network mask, what is next hop, which all comes in the routing table. Then we'll discuss about the how the router will make the longest forward distance. So what is longest match, what is admission distance, what is routing protocol metric. We'll try to understand that. Then we'll learn about the IPv4 IPv6 static routing, what is default route, static route, host route, floating route. Then we'll be discussing about OSPF, single area, and in the OSPF single area we'll be discussing about the neighbor adjacencies, point-to-point broadcast and router ID. We describe the purpose of first hop routing protocol, first hop redundancy protocols. These are the topics will be covered in IP connectivity. After that, we will be discussing about IP services. In IP services, we will be discussing about the configurations and verify inside source NAT using static and tools, configure and verify the NTP, DHCP and DNS, SNMP, and syslog, DHCP client and DHCP relay. We will understand about what is PHP for QoS. Then we'll discuss about the SSH, and we'll understand the capabilities of function of TFTP and FTP. These all the topics will be covered in IP services. Like basically, if you see like NAT, NTP, DHCP, DNS, SNMP, syslog, DHCP, QoS, SSH, TFTP, FTP. These are the services covered. After that, we'll be seeing some security fundamentals. So what is the security key concepts, and what are the user awareness program, what is user awareness, training and physical control, local control like access control using local passwords, describe security password for elements such as management capacity, password abilities, okay, describe remote access and site-to-site VPN, configure and verify access control list, DHCP snooping and DHCP dynamic RP switching, and port security. Then we'll discuss about AAA and WPA and WPA3 and WLAN security. This is all the WLAN wireless security protocol we'll discuss. So basically, in this we'll discuss about the security fundamentals and some security controls. Then finally we'll end with the wireless protocols. Next, last domain, which is the automation programmability. So what is how automation impacts network? What is the traditional network with the controller based? Describe the controller based on software defined architectures. Compare traditional campus device network management with DNA and development center. What is REST API, REST based API? What is Puppet Chef and Ansible? What is JSON? This all we'll discuss on the automation programmability. These are the topics will be covered in CCNA. So we will be seeing all these topics one by one, detailed videos. Each topic will cover some detailed videos. Now, apart from this, basically this course is mainly on not only theory, it's more practical. So for practical purpose, we'll be using Cisco Packet Tracer. So I'll just show you the glance how it looks like. So we'll see the Cisco Packet Tracer, how using Cisco Packet Tracer we'll be doing all the labs. Like for example, we can take a router in this, we can take a switch in this, right? We can take a switch in this, and we can just connect it and we can start configuring these devices. So basically, we will be going to use the Cisco Packet Tracer for the practical sessions. So, and I'll also be using a presentation for this course, and this presentation will be detailedly cover the topics, what topics will be covered, and the flow is also given here, how we are going to follow the flow. Okay, Thank you. If any questions, you can please feel free to put in the comments. Okay, I'll try to answer the question in the comments. Thank you everyone. Bye.